To grow oranges at home, you'll need climate. Oranges thrive in subtropical to tropical climates with mild winters and hot summers. They require plenty of sunlight. Soil. Well-drained soil is essential. Sandy loam or loamy soil with a pH between 6 and 7 is ideal. Planting. Plant your orange tree in a location with good air circulation and enough space for its roots to spread. Dig a hole twice as wide and just as deep as the tree's root ball. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Water deeply and regularly, especially during the growing season. Fertilizing. Feed your orange tree with a balanced fertilizer formulated for citrus trees. Follow the instructions on the fertilizer package for best results. Pruning. Prune your orange tree to remove dead or diseased branches and to shape it as desired. Pruning can also improve air circulation and sunlight penetration. Pests and diseases. Keep an eye out for common pests like aphids, scales, and citrus leaf miners. Treat any infestations promptly. Also, watch for signs of